You know, the jokes would have come easier if Paul George still wore the number 24. Oh well. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we have up for review is the Nike PG2 Mamba Mentality. Now this shoe pays homage to Kobe's last game, which has effectively been called Mamba Day since his retirement. And this shoe actually takes the colorway of the Kobe 6 Prelude from the Prelude pack in 2013. So let's take a look at the box. The box is a standard PG2 box. It's got the graphic on the top, as well as the Paul George 2 and the star type graphic. I guess that's basically what this is, star type graphic, as well as the Nike swoosh and the Paul George logo. The color code in the shoe is Cannon, Volt, and Purple Venom, which is the same color code from the Kobe 6 Prelude. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a Purple Venom upper with mesh detailing on the toe cap, as well as a little tiny Nike swoosh right there. Also, you've got this synthetic overlay. Moving towards the tongue, you've got a Canon tongue with the Volt PG logo right there. And it's this kind of aquamarine sky blue laces. Taking a look at the actual graphic that wraps around the heel. This graphic is, like I said before, the same graphic from the Kobe 6 Prelude. And it's got the design of a tiger, a horse, a fish, and a pawn chess piece. Also, you got a Volt yellow swoosh on the medial. The back tab is a Purple Venom back tab, and the midsole is also Purple Venom with the Volt Nike swoosh. Taking a look at the outsole, you've got the icy translucent outsole with the Volt overlay on the forefoot to let you know where the zoom air is, and the PG logo by the heel. I don't know, this shoe isn't doing it for me. I'm not really a big fan of this colorway of the PG2, which is odd because I liked quite a few pairs of the PG2, the PlayStation, the Palmdale. Those were some dope colorways, but this colorway isn't really for me. I thought that the nylon, this is actually a nylon type of material or a cloth, mesh type of, it's not mesh, it's kind of like cloth or nylon. And I thought that this would be plastic or a different material. I don't know, some different material. But this cloth for some reason just doesn't do it for me. I know that's how the Kobe 6 Prelude was, but except the Kobe 6 Prelude had it all over, was an all over print. But for some reason, this shoe just doesn't do it for me. And I guess it's just, I don't know, might be that fish. That fish is weird. But anyways, let's get some detailed looks of the shoe. Catch you after the jump. The PG2 Mamba Mentality hits select Nike retailers and Nike.com on April 13th for a retail price of $110. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.